absolutely gorgeous day here today, and it was so nice to catch up with all the Riviera ladies.
I think the stand is excellent. They've done a wonderful job setting up all the boats.
Really enjoying it. Display's fantastic.
We're doing on-water workshops and also presentations behind us. We have the bar. This is where the Riviera owners can come and relax.
Oh yeah, it's fantastic, yeah. You get a bit tired so you can come here and relax.
It's been researching the Belize, which is a 54, and having a look at the differences between the Belize and the 54 Riv. So, and now I'm confused, so I don't know which way to go.
What's really fantastic is you've got such a wide range of boats here from Riviera, everything from a 39 foot right through to the beautiful 68 foot that we see over behind us. So it's a chance to see different variants of boats and just see what the differences are so that you can work out what might be the right boat for you for the future.